Hello viewers, our topic today is surface areas and volumes. Question 3. A toy in the form of a cone of radius 3.5 cm mounted on a hemisphere of same radius. The total height of the toy is 15.5 cm. Find the total surface area of the toy. Radius is given as 3.5 and the total height of the toy is 15.5 cm. The radius of the cone is given as 3.5 cm. Then total height of the toy is 15.5 cm. Draw the hemisphere. The radius of the hemisphere equal to radius of the cone. So 3.5. The radius of the hemisphere is equal to height of the hemisphere. So height of the hemisphere equal to 3.5 cm. This is important. Radius of the cone is 3.5 cm. Then how much is the height of the cone? Now draw the vessel. Draw the toy. Height of the hemisphere is 3.5 cm. Radius of the hemisphere is 3.5 cm. Total height of the toy is 15.5 cm. Subtract the height of the hemisphere from 15.5. Height of the cone equal to 15.5 minus 3.5, 12 cm. Total height minus height of the hemisphere 3.5 is height of the cone. Find the total surface area. Find the total surface area of the toy. The total surface area of the toy is curved surface area of the cone plus curved surface area of the hemisphere. Total surface area of the toy equal to total surface area of the cone and total surface area of the hemisphere. It's wrong. Total surface area of the toy is curved surface area of the cone plus curved surface area of the hemisphere. Don't forget this. Total surface area of the toy equal to curved surface area of both the solids. Now total surface area of the toy equal to curved surface area of the cone plus curved surface area of the hemisphere. The formula is pi RL plus 2 pi r square. Curved surface area of the cone is pi RL. Curved surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. The radius value, we already know the radius value is 3.5 cm. But we don't know the value of L. It is slant height of the cone. So how to find the slant height of the cone? In this figure, radius is 3.5 and height is 12 cm. Slant height equal to how much? According to Pythagoras theorem, slant height equal to square root of r square plus h square. Slant height is the longest side. The longest side L equal to square root of according to Pythagoras theorem, L equal to square root of r square plus h square. The value of r square is 3.5 and the height is 12. So 3.5 square plus 12 square. 3.5 into 3.5 is 12.25. 12 12s are 144. So 144 plus 12.25 is 156.25. Square root of 156.25 is 12.5 cm. So slant height L equal to 12.5 cm. Square root of 156.25 is 12.5 cm. So the slant height equal to 12.5 cm. Total surface area of the toy pi RL plus 2 pi 2 into 22 by 7 into 3.5 into slant height is 12.5 plus 2 into 22 by 7 into radius value is 3.5 into 3.5. So 22 by 7 into 3.5, taking 3.5, 22 by 7 common for both the terms, so taking this outside, write the remaining 12.5 plus 2 into 3.5, write the remaining 2 into 3.5, cancel 7 and 3.5, 7 into 0.5 is 3.5, 22 into 0.5 into 12.5 plus 3.5 into 2 is 7, 22 into 0.5, adding the values of 12.5 plus 7, it's 9.5, 19.5, 22 into 0.5 into 19.5 is 214.5 centimeter square. So the total surface area of the toy is 214.5 centimeter square. Total surface area of the toy. Square units. Area means square units.